So yeah, welcome back to the channel. Professor Jason X here, where I react to anything and everything. And for today, we have a viral issue involving Filipino or P-pop group BINI. No? So meron siyang very intense na discussion online and some sort of bashing, developing story siya. So merong video na kumakalat, wherein BINI members, no, sorry hindi ko kilala ng mga BINI members na yan, I'm not a fan, but again, meron namang specific group dyan, and mukhang wholesome naman yung image nila. Pero dito sa video na to, Stacy, Joanna, and Colette, no, I assume they are the BINI members. So they are laughing together at pinagtatawanan nila yung dalawang kasama nilang lalaki. I don't know if they are boyfriends or just tropa, Sean and Ethan. And then yung Stacy daw from BINI, sabi niya ganyan ang ginagawa niya kay Ashley. Tapos may sumagot, oo, 13 years old. So si Colette allegedly nagsabi, oo, 13 years old. So siya yun. So, hindi ko alam kung sino nag-upload nito. And ang question, bakit in-upload? Bakit in-upload? So another case of fucking around and finding out. So ewan ko ba bakit hindi natututo ang mga tao, no, sa pag-upload ng videos. Ang dami namang campaigns about think before you click, think before you post. Especially if you are a member of a well-known group, right? So, dapat sobrang ingat ka kung ano yung mga pinapost mo eh. Hindi story lang yan or ano. Kahit na, kung, I don't know kung saan galing to, no? Pero ang bilis mag-viral, ang bilis kumalat. So, tatandaan natin na ang mga groups na ito, kumikita yan through partnerships, endorsements, may mga products yan sila na sila ang mag-endorse, no? And these products would want to stay with a wholesome image group. Lalo na ngayon, nasa panahon tayo na yung mga ganyan ay hindi pwedeng maging biro, I grew up from a different generation. And I don't want to elaborate what types of jokes are we talking about, pero iba talaga, no? If you would ask mga papa nyo, mama nyo, tito, tita, lolo, lola, iba nung panahon na yun eh. Wala pa noong yung mga phenomenon of being canceled, of different groups. Okay? And what is deemed to be offensive and not. Because of social media nowadays, parang you're walking on thin ice eh. Ang daming mga bagay na hindi mo na pwedeng gawing biro or pwedeng i-post because you will offend several people. You will offend certain sectors, no? Hindi malabong mangyari yun. May maiinis sa'yo, merong may gusto sa'yo. So again, the question is, bakit pinost pa yan? Okay? It's not that we are tolerating these types of behaviors, we can have that on another conversation. Lalo na, if I'm not mistaken, and based from what I research, ang advocacy daw ng BINI is women empowerment. Okay, so if you are advocating for women empowerment, definitely hindi siya magandang example. So this is a PR nightmare and catastrophe for the side of the BINI managers. Although meron silang nilabas na statement, we're not stepping back, we're stepping up, committed to reflection, accountability, and growth. We strive for greater self-awareness and continuous improvement, blah, blah, blah. This statement isn't meant to abandon or condemn the girls, but serve purely as a reminder that such action shouldn't be swept under the rug, especially since this remains a recurring social issue. We are aware of the recent video, blah blah blah. As idols who proudly advocate women empowerment, it's crucial their actions consistently reflect the values. So this is tama, no? This is true. Accountability is essential. We respectfully urge BINI and their management to openly address this. As idols and influencers, you really have to be careful what you upload. You have to be careful, not just by what you upload, but how you act in public. Okay? And there's a side of me that would want to forgive them because they are yung iba dito minor pa, no, or bata pa. Okay, I don't know the age of the BINI members. Can you correct me on that, And tayo as people na may mga tropa, may mga kaibigan, huwag tayo magpaka-plastic, no? May mga biruan din tayo na pang magtotropa lang. Mayroon tayong mga biruan na dapat hindi na nakalalabas. So, yun yung pinaka-mistake dito. Bakit kasi kailangan pang i-upload? Right? Ano ba yung magiging benefit if you would upload those things? Do you think sasabihin ng tao, uy, ang cool naman, shit, nakakatawa or what, no? So, sana pinag-isipang mabuti. Kayo guys, ano ba masasabi ninyo? Let's have a respectful conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.